Hey everyone, I'm back with another video, and today I'll be showing you the Snowball Ice microphone by Blue. This is a cheap $50 USB microphone that they sell, and today I'll be unboxing and reviewing it for you guys. In the box come three main components. The first is the Blue microphone itself, next is a little tripod stand for it, and lastly it's a USB cable for plugging it into your computer. So the stand it comes with just screws into the bottom of the microphone like so, and once it's screwed in you can pull out the stands and it'll stand up with no problem. So the setup process for this microphone is really simple. All you have to do is plug the USB cable into your laptop and into your microphone, and then after that all you have to do is record. There's no drivers, no installations or anything. It's really simple and plug and play. So I'm actually recording my audio using this microphone right now, and all you have to do to set it up is just plug it in and Windows or Mac OS will find it on its own and you can start recording. So specs wise, this microphone has a frequency response of 40 to 18 kilohertz. It weighs 460 grams and it has a 325mm circumference. For the requirements, all you need is Windows 7, 8, 10 or Mac OS X 10.4.11 or higher. And you also need a USB port and the minimum of 64 megabytes of RAM. So I'd say this microphone is really good for what it's worth. And I recorded this whole video on this microphone, so you can judge the audio quality for yourself. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please thumbs up and subscribe.